But what we typically see is four main problems where machine learning can be applied in predictive maintenance. So the first is the problem of equipment state or equipment health. So this is really looking at identifying the current state of a system or a component within a system and determining the health. So is this component in a healthy state or in a degrading state? So to give you an example, if you wanted to apply this type of feature, the equipment state on your car, then you may be interested to know if elements of the car, like the engine or the transmission system, were healthy or in a degrading state. Another common feature we see is time to event, which is taking that previous feature and sort of projecting forward. So this is looking at when you identify that equipment is in perhaps an unhealthy state, is projecting forwards or forecasting the actual remaining time until the equipment critically fails or no longer can perform its required function. The third element we typically see is root cause detection, and this is really guiding operators to the source of health issues. So if there is an issue, where is this issue occurring, and what's the likely mode of failure linked to the symptoms that you're seeing. And the final element is optimization, which is a combination of the previous three with considerations of resource and risk, effectively solving for the optimal time to intervene, to fix equipment, to repair equipment, etc.